Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your English language teacher from Apsex Fort Road, Wing Wales. Today I will discuss week 7th assignment of English language. In this week we are going to read the chapter Day and Night, and the objectives of today's lesson is that you will read and you will talk about the midnight sun, and students will also compare the earth's natural landscapes, and you will also learn about the solar system. Now today's homework is actually divided into different tasks. I will start with the task 2. Task 1 you have done in English literature, so in English language you will start with the task 2. In task 2, students is supposed to read the page number 36 and 37 of their book. When you are going to open these pages, you will get to know that there is basically a map of Norway, and it's all about Troms, the capital of the Norway, and there is also an image of the Norway present there. Basically this all blog is about a child who has spent his summer holidays there, and now he's writing about all his experience. Now in this blog you have to read it carefully while the parents are around you, and they will correct your pronunciation. Then you are going to underline the difficult words. After underlining the difficult words, you will find out their meanings with the help of the dictionary, and after finding out the meanings of the words, you will write these in on the loose sheets, and you are supposed to use any 3 of these words in sentences of your own. Now this is the first written work of this task 2. Another written work of this task 2 is that when you're going to open page number 37, look, there is a question. Read the blog again, and are these sentences are true and false. Now you have to read this previous blog, which names June 14th. Okay, you will read this again, and you have to mark which statement is correct and which is false. Okay, now once again I'm going to revise or recap what are you supposed to do in this task 2. The first thing is that you have to read this blog. You will find out the difficult words. For example, there are difficult words: barbecue, energy, hike, set, or midnight. These are the type of difficult words which are present there. You have to find out their meanings. You will write down these meanings on the loose sheets, and then you will use any 3 of these words in your sentences. Okay, and the second task is that you have to take out page number 7, and on the top of this page number 37 you will find out question number 3, in which you have to identify whether the statements are true or false after reading this blog again. Okay, now moving towards the next task, that is task number 3. Task number 3 is actually a research work in which you have to find out the information about Troms, and the link is provided there. You will just simply click to this link and you have to find out the information. Now written task of this task number 3, or written work of this task number 3, is that you have to make 2 columns on the loose sheet. Okay, and in one column you will write about your morning activities, and in the other column you will write about your evening activities. Okay, now coming towards the next task, that is task number 4. In this task number 4, students will read the page number 40, and there are simple questions about the planets. You will answer these questions, and thus you will be able to know about you will be able to assess your own knowledge about the planet. Okay, coming towards this page number 40, you see there are almost 6 question presents. Okay, first you have to analyze yourself after giving answer to this question. Then you will read the next page, so you will automatically be clear whether you have given the correct answers or not. Okay, now coming towards the next task, that is task number 5, in which again you have to search the information about the planets, and your written work is that you have to write a short paragraph about any one of the planet with the help of the information gained through the research. Okay, means on page number 40 all these planets are present there. They have given you the information. While gathering the information through the link which is in front of you, present in front of you on the screen, you will gather the information and you will write about any one of the planet. Okay, you will write a short note about any one of the planet. You will actually give us the information, you will share the information which you will get through the internet research. Now coming towards the last task of this week number 7, this is actually the creative writing, in which the students have to use their own creativity, they have to use their own imagination, and you have to write a paragraph on the imaginary planet. Remember, it's going to be the imaginary planet. Now you should use A4 page. Okay, and you will include the following information which is present in front of you on the screen. First of all, you have to give a name to your planet. Then you will mention about its color, for example it's red, it's blue, it's yellow. Then you will talk about its land, it's rocky, or it's plain, it's barren, or it's fertile land. Then you will talk about its climate, cloudy hai, or whether it is clear skies present there. Now then you will talk about something special about it, and in the last you will mention how many moons it has got. Okay, now when you will give answer to these questions, so automatically you will be able to comprehend, or you will be able to compile a whole paragraph, and thus your creative writing is finished. Okay, and hope you're doing well, and wish you best of luck. Thank you so much.